Number 1. The 1951 Ford Country Squire Woody Wagon. Priced at $46,900. The Woody Private Collection of Yesteryear's Museum. Production number 29017. Only 144 known to exist. Full, complete restoration in 2007, with less than 900 miles since completed. Same owner for the last 12 years. 12-volt upgraded system, with updated AM/FM stereo. Ford 9-inch rear end with 3.25 gears, 4 highway speeds. Last year of real hardwood trim, with tailgate-mounted spare tire. First year for Ford automatic transmission. Aluminum manifold, with Ford Holley 4-barrel carburetor. All new glass and weather stripping. Color, Ford Golden Glow Yellow, with gravel shield. Fresh rebuild on Ford Flathead V8, with aluminum heads. Restored by former president of the Classic T-Bird Club International, Mr. Minter of Dallas, Texas. Period correct roof rack, with matching surfboard. Old school, period correct surfing stickers. Custom performance dual exhaust, with chrome tailpipe tips. All chrome and stainless steel, to AACA show standards. Correct, Coker wide white wall tires and hubcaps. Correct interior and carpet, with wooden door panels. Includes book, manuals, and photos of the Woody. Dash traffic view finder, with dash clock. Award winner in every show entered. Decoded VIN hashtag B1LB125482. B. 238 8-cylinder V8. 1. 1951 production year. LB. Built in Long Beach, CA. Located in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Number 2. The 1968 Ford Mustang. Priced at $30,000. 1968 Ford Mustang J-Code Coupe. Factory A, C. Original color, Wimbledon white. Rebuilt original 302 CI V8. 4-barrel Autolite 4300 carburetor. Rebuilt C4 automatic transmission. NOS black vinyl roof. Features: factory air conditioning, power steering, power front disc brakes, center console, GT package added, tons of work done, turnkey cruiser, private collector, located in Milburn, Essex County. Number 3. The 1967 Plymouth Barracuda. Priced at $25,000. As the seller notes, this 1967 Barracuda is powered by a 440 engine, paired with a Powerglide transmission. Out back, it runs a Dana 60 rear end. The car features custom headers and a roll cage. The overall condition is described as used but good. The seller emphasizes that it's a cash-only deal, no trades or time wasters. Located in Las Vegas, Nevada. Number 4. The 1979 Chevrolet Malibu. Priced at $37,500. This 1979 Malibu Pro Street is built around a professionally assembled 454 big block by Big L's Toy Box, now topped with a polished 671 blower. The engine is based on a Dart Blockboard .030 over to 461 cubic inches and features forged internals, including an SFI-rated crank, eagle rods, and 8.2:1 compression forged pistons. A comp cams roller setup and cast iron rectangular port heads round out the valve train, supported by Jomar stud girdles and Manley components. Fuel is delivered through dual Demon 800 CFM carbs, and ignition is handled by an MSD system. The whole combination is said to be dyno-tuned and synchronized, making around 700 horsepower. Despite the high-performance setup, the car reportedly runs fine on premium pump gas with occasional octane booster. Backing the power plant is a turbo 400 transmission. The Malibu also features remote-operated door poppers and power seats. The seller mentions that the car is streetable and is open to a possible trade for a clean 1968 to 1972 Nova. Located in Yorktown, Virginia. Number 5. The 1970 Dodge Dart Swinger. Priced at $22,500. According to the seller, this 1970 Dodge is a street strip style build with a 440 big block engine, mated to a 727 automatic transmission. Out back, it sports an 8 3/4 inch rear end with 4.30 gears and full spool. The car has been mini-tubbed and is equipped with Willwood front disc brakes, a roll cage, and a silver exterior with a black interior. The seller states that the car is solid and rust-free. The car was designed to run on 110-octane fuel for racing, or a blend of racing and premium for daily use. As a note to the seller, this is not a show car and may not appeal to those looking for a polished look. It is more of a functional street-style drag car. Located in Willets, Maryland. Number 6. The 1964 Chevrolet C10. Priced at $69,900. Rev it up. This 1964 C10 truck is powered by a Dart Little M400 engine with a B&M blower and dual Holley 4-barrel carburetors. The engine has been balanced, blueprint, and dyno tuned by K-Tech. Other components include JE pistons, Crane hydraulic roller cam, Jezel rocker arms, Eagle connecting rods, and Canfield aluminum cylinder heads. Ignition is handled by an MSD system. It is equipped with fluid dampers and components from Moroso. The truck sits on an Art Morrison 4-link chassis. The TH400 automatic transmission and rear setup are designed for straight-line performance. According to the seller, there is complete documentation for all components and work. The truck is said to be a high-quality build and costs 6 figures. Located in Poughkeepsie, New York. Number 7. The 1948 Ford Anglia. Priced at $75,000. According to the seller, this 1948 Ford is powered by a 468 big block engine with an 871 supercharger, paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission, and is set up for street performance. The seller states that the car is comfortable to drive on public roads and has a custom exterior paint finish. The car has a clean title. Located in Marshall, Michigan. Number 8. The 1966 Chevy 2 Nova. Priced at $68,000. This 1966 Nova is equipped with a 350 motor with a blower and a turbo 400 transmission. It uses a ZZ4 crate motor with high-performance cylinder heads and an exhaust system using fender well headers. The interior features a digital dash and large rear wheel tubs. It also features disc brakes on all 4 wheels. The exterior is painted in a combination of burgundy and dark gray, while the interior is black. According to the seller, the car is in good running condition. The car has a clean title and the seller is not interested in trades. Located in California, Missouri. Number 9. The 1963 Ford Falcon. Priced at $30,000. According to the seller, this Ford Falcon Pro Street has a new full-frame setup. It is equipped with a 4-link rear suspension and a Mustang 2-style front suspension with coilovers. It is equipped with Willwood disc brakes on all 4 wheels. Rear wheels are double beadlock street lights. Front wheels are custom. Engine, 306 small block Ford. C4 automatic transmission with manual reverse valve body and 3,500 RPM stall converter. Seller is also including a fiberglass cowl hood as part of the sale. Seller is open to trades, but is particularly interested in the 4x4 crew cab truck. Serious buyers only. Car has a clean title. Located in Ashland, Kentucky. Number 10. The 1934 StudebakerDictator. Priced at $29,000. According to the seller, this StudebakerDictator Pro Street is a work in progress, about 85% complete. 406-stroker engine, 3-link suspension, and professional chopping and channeling have been done. Painted in Candy Viper Blue. The engine was recently built but has never been ridden. Still needs glass, door handles, full interior, and some basic electrical work, especially on lights. The seller has receipts for over $40,000 in parts, but is only asking $29,000. Open to trades for new Harley or Ford F-150, also open to other offers. Located in Santan Valley, Arizona. Number 11. The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Priced at $70,000. This 1969 Camaro is equipped with a 502 crate engine, mated to a TH400 transmission with a reverse manual valve body and a 3,200 RPM stall converter. Other features include B&M 671 blower, dual Demon 850 carburetors, MSD distributor, and hooker headers. Also equipped is a 16-gallon fuel tank, Curry Ford 9 inches rear end with 3.89 gears, and a Caltrax rear suspension. The chassis is reinforced with an 8-point roll cage. The car reportedly produces 750 horsepower and 700 lb-ft of torque. Additional features include line lock, trans brake, 5-point seat belts, power steering, power brakes, and a full Pioneer audio system. The body is rust-free and leak-free. The car runs great. It has been owned by the current owner for 23 years and has a clean California title. Located in Irvine, California. Number 12. The 1941 Willys Coupe Gasser. Priced at $110,000. This 1941 Willys features a fiberglass body with a tilt hood and Dakota digital hydraulics. Other features: adjustable mirrors, Colorado custom wheels, and an Air Ride Tech airbag suspension. Interior is upholstered in Voss leather with rainfall stitching. Power comes from a 502 ramjet crate motor with chrome accents. Transmission, 4L60E, designed to handle up to 800 HP, features an electronic shift kit from Jegs. Additional components: chrome valve covers, alternator, air conditioning pump, and power steering pump. Also equipped: flaming river steering column with cruise control, tilt, and 4-way flasher, custom steering wheel, tubular control arms, and power disc brakes on all 4 wheels with 11-inch rotors. Other features include third brake light, VDO gauges, 15-gallon stainless gas tank with internal fuel pump, and a vintage air system with heater and defogger. There is also a power lift trunk, emergency handbrake, Pioneer AM/FM/CD with Bluetooth, front turn signals, powder-coated headers, and a 4-inch stainless exhaust without muffler. The cooling system is an aluminum radiator with an electric fan. The rear end is a Ford 9 inches with 3.73 PY gears and 18-inch Hoosier rear tires. The sale includes an enclosed trailer with winch. The seller states that over $250,000 has been invested in this project. Located in New York City. Number 13. The 1972 Chevrolet Nova SS. Priced at $59,000. This 1972 Nova is a street-legal build with a claimed 2,000 horsepower, powered by a 632 big block Chevy engine with a 14-71 blower. According to the seller, the car has never been raced and still has the NOS system, although it has never been used. The body is painted red with a black interior. It still has a complete interior, although it is equipped with a full roll cage. The seller states that he is the second owner and is open to trades for rat rods, hot rods, or a 57 Chevy that has been built, and other classic vehicles. Located in Dickinson, Texas. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on the notifications.